Hello, hello.
तुमको भी हेलो हेलो.
Someone's dressed up.
Yeah, laundry नहीं हुई है.
Hello, Mad Hearters.
अरे अरे 3, 2, 1 एक्शन.
आज में से दूध बच गई. Hello, Mad Hearters. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, it's our 15th episode, but we are still yet to coordinate our moves. But today we have something special for you. Today, Priya and Sabika, यानी कि PS और Sabika and Priya will talk to you about their respective days in a lockdown. So this one is going to be no holds barred. हम आपको सब बताएंगे कि हम क्या धो रहे हैं, क्या नहीं धो रहे हैं, कैसी धुलाई हो रही है हमारी. So yeah, who wants to start? Sabika?
Okay, I'll start. So I think it's about time that I realized that it's a very emotionally charged time, and like I think the day has its own emotional graph. So I think for me the day of course starts with like मैं ऐसे हड़बड़ तड़बड़ में उठती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी अम्मा और मैं जो है साथ में योगा करते हैं. So like my mother and I, because we do yoga together, I have to wake up abnormally early as per not as per my regular routine. My quarantine routine starts at 7:30. So by default, I'll wake up like so not the best way to start the day. Of course, it will be an emotionally charged day if it starts like that, right? Then yeah. Then after that, what we do is my mother usually sort of goes into cooking scenes. I go into Instagram scenes, and then there's breakfast. एंड काफ़ी भूख होती है तो वो हंगर सुबह 7:30 बजे की फिर योगा के बाद रिलीव होती है कुछ 9 साढ़े 9 बजे. तो काफ़ी हैंग्री हो चुके होते हैं हम तब तक. तो कोशिश होती है कि दैट हंगर एंड एंगर कंबाइंड don't do things and don't create fireworks.
Wait. This is really cool. So your first emotion of the day is terrified or startled. ये कौन आया? Despite
Yeah.
your mom waking up. So your first emotion is from startled. You go to angry. That's your graph. And
No,
by
I said
9:30.
hunger and then
Oh.
hangry because so much hunger that it becomes hanger. हाँ. So then उसके बाद क्या होता है? यार I don't know. Like I don't know how you're dealing with loneliness considering you're married and all of that jazz. I'm living with my parents. So there are days when I think, should I get back on Tinder? But yeah, I'm aware of my addiction, so I'm being very aware. So no, say no to Tinder. Then आगे कुछ दिन बढ़ता है तो यार yeah, there's massive fatigue actually in the second half because I have signed up for a lot of live streams. Basically, I'm a performance artist, and that's how I made my money. So yeah, all the performance artists are now just doing Insta lives, Insta lives, Insta lives. पैसा नहीं है उसमें कुछ भी, but at least staying visible, like trying our best to stay in the public's purview. So there's a fair bit of anxiety that comes with it. Um, Yesterday, the 21-day commitment for my live show got over, and I couldn't sleep till 4:30 because I was like, okay, so one home that I had built is no longer there. So yeah, I couldn't sleep, and I was texting one of my long time supporters, and I was saying something on the lines of एक घर बनाया था, घर जैसा बनाया था जिसने नींद बख्शी थी. अब नया घर बनाने का इरादा है तो नींद का ना आने का इरादा है. Cause like, well, so yeah, that's my day. That's my day. How's yours? What does yours look like?
Well, you already know. My day is full of adventure. So those of you who don't know me at all, and you're watching this video, I'm a filmmaker, but I'm also an activist, and I have a non-profit. and my non-profit works from Mumbai and Boston, and we have co-founded this non-profit entirely remotely. So there are many little tips I can give you on working from home or working from cafe, because that's pretty much been my arc with this non-profit that we run, and it's been I mean, I want to say we found our discipline. It was always hard to work with different time zones, but we found our discipline. So my typical day starts with black cup of coffee. Being super groggy. So have you noticed when one wakes up, there's something about your face which is like twice the size of your face. I feel like I wake up with पूरी दुनिया का tension, पूरा भार on my face. My face is a matka in the morning, and I look at
My
myself that
face is
my
always
start.
matka. I've always somehow had a lot more weight on my face than any other part of my body, and I've never understood it. But go on.
But yeah, I mean, I feel like I am like this pressure cooker in the morning, ready to burst at anyone and everyone. And the first thing that emotion that I experience is just startling when I look at my face and go like, "तुम रात को तो you were someone else. Why one life? Why so? Why so?" And then I try to bring whatever the stress I've been accumulating overnight, God knows where from, down. And then my first emotion invariably is checking something on my phone. So even before I rub my eyes and open my eyes, I've already read like, if I'm an expert at this, Sabika, I'm an expert at reading with one eye. So like, you can't tell whether I'm sleeping or I'm actually reading. But yeah, I have trained myself to read a lot of emails and a lot of WhatsApps, and in that sleepy state get actual amount of work done. But let's not do it like this, huh? So let's, like, you tell me a little bit about your day and I'll tell you a little bit about my day. So morning has passed.
So of course, I think we've already spoken a little too much about the workshops with my parents. So what has changed ever since the extension has been brought in? So we had already done gratitude giving, and we decided to go a step further. And if you think about it, like routines are relationships. Like I think all relationships begin with something like a go-to thing, and then that makes the person become your go-to person eventually. So what we started, and what I'm very excited about, is that we're learning Urdu mostly from my mother, because she's the one who's pretty fluent. So we've picked up this book, which you and I also explored in the past, Wasim Barelvi's Mera Kya, and we read. Till yesterday, we were reading one page each. Today, my mother was like, one page is nothing. We should do at least two. So today, we've done 2 pages each. And the cutest bit today was when I was messing up, my mother was very seriously just like being very compassionate and kind to me, like not butting her head and waiting for me to ask her, instead of sort of just like telling me yes, wo aise. But when it came to my dad, and when he was messing up, she couldn't stop giggling. Okay, like she's like giggling like this girl who's like so happy that her competitor is clearly losing and all of that. It was such a cute moment, because they have an arranged marriage. So I very very I think sometimes you have to arrange moments of love between them. So clearly this was one of those arranged love moments. But I wish I had my phone or something to capture it. But yeah, that is I think the highlight of my day. Would you like to share your highlight?
Today's I'm very prepared for today's highlight. I told you this right before our recording. So today, Mad Hatters, my family and I, we played badminton. And before you get any ideas and tell me how we should not be stepping out, we played badminton in our drawing room. This very drawing room, which you can see right.
So proud.
With this. With this. This is my nephew's. Yeah, we played with this and a plastic cork, and I have like a rather smashing serves. So sometimes it would like hit to the balcony, it would like tie. And so my serves were getting a bit too, I don't know, cool for the boys to handle. So then we had to put up a net. and yeah, it was good fun. I mean, for those of you out there wondering कि net कैसे डालते हैं यार ड्राइंग रूम में, नहीं डालते net यार, नहीं डल सकता ड्राइंग रूम में, तो then धागा लाना पड़ता है and then rod से बांधना पड़ता है, फिर weight से गिराना पड़ता है उसको level करने के लिए. So that was my highlight.
So impressed. So impressed. Also, let's impress our audience a little more with your qualifications. मतलब ऐसा हमें आज ही पता चला है कि आप जो है स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर चुकी हैं, ऐसा कुछ हमने सुना है.
No. That was to impress my in-laws. No, no way. If I would have represented a state, come on, you would have known. No,
Okay.
I haven't. Yes, I have represented a state, of course. I mean, who cannot see the athlete in me?
This is why you call Team Haryana, by the way?
That's a long story, and we will tell you, Mad Hatters, on one of our talks. One of these days, Sabika and I are doing this weekly. Sorry, why am I even saying weekly? Sabika and I are doing this daily. We will bring you one video each day of the lockdown, and Sabika will in fact tell you more about what we want to do in the coming episodes, but not today, tomorrow. So
time to offer some love, some adventurous love.
PS, love you.
PS, love you.